Did you know that traditional grilling can be harmful to the environment? It's a sobering thought, isn't it? Picture this. It's a sunny afternoon, you're out in your backyard, grilling up a feast for friends and family. But while the sizzle of the steaks might sound like music to your ears, it's also creating a symphony of environmental issues. Traditional grilling methods, such as charcoal and propane, are a significant source of carbon emissions. They contribute to the greenhouse effect, accelerating global warming. Then there's the issue of deforestation, with vast tracts of forest being cleared for the production of charcoal. And it's not just the planet that's at risk. These grills produce smoke and fumes that are harmful to our health, increasing our exposure to carcinogens. So if you love grilling but also care about our planet, what can you do? Stay tuned, because we're about to explore some fantastic, eco-friendly alternatives. Enter the world of eco-friendly grilling, a game changer for both our health and our environment. Let's explore the array of choices available to us. First, we have electric grills, a great option for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint. They operate on electricity, eliminating the need for charcoal or gas. Next up, pellet grills. These use wood pellets for fuel, providing that smoky flavor we all love, without the environmental drawbacks of traditional wood or charcoal grills. Then we have ceramic grills, which are excellent for heat retention and can be used with eco-friendly lump charcoal. Lastly, let's touch on solar-powered grills. These marvels of innovation harness the power of the sun to cook your meals, making them the ultimate in eco-friendly grilling. Each of these grills brings its own unique benefits to the table, all while keeping our planet in mind. But which one of these eco-friendly grills is the best for you? Whether you're a busy chef, an outdoor enthusiast, or a budget-conscious individual, there's an eco-friendly grill perfect for you. For the busy chef, we recommend the electric grill. With no need for charcoal or gas, it's a clean, smokeless option that heats up quickly and offers easy temperature control. On the other hand, for the outdoor enthusiast who loves that smoky flavor, a pellet grill is a fantastic choice. Using wood pellets as fuel, it's carbon neutral and delivers a great taste. Now for the budget-conscious individual, the ceramic grill is a winner. It retains heat exceptionally well, meaning less fuel is needed, and it's versatile enough to grill, smoke, and even bake. Lastly, if you're really looking to make an impact, consider a solar-powered grill. It's a cutting-edge option that harnesses the power of the sun, offering emission-free grilling. There you have it, a grill for every eco-conscious cook out there. But wait, there's more! You might be wondering, what could be better than grilling up a delicious meal while also doing your part to save the planet? Well, let me tell you, there's a whole lot more to eco-friendly grilling than meets the eye. It's not just about reducing carbon emissions or preventing deforestation, as vital as those things are. It's also about creating a healthier cooking environment, potentially saving money over time, and even enhancing the flavor of your food. Let's start with the health benefits. Traditional grills, particularly charcoal ones, can produce high levels of carcinogenic compounds called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, or PAHs, when fat drips onto hot coals and creates smoke. This smoke can then adhere to your food, and you end up ingesting these harmful compounds. On the other hand, eco-friendly grills, such as electric or pellet grills, produce significantly lower levels of these harmful compounds, leading to a healthier cooking environment. Furthermore, grilling on an eco-friendly grill can also have nutritional benefits. For instance, grilling on a ceramic grill, which uses infrared heat, can help retain more nutrients in your food. Infrared heat penetrates food directly, cooking it from the inside out, which helps to preserve vitamins and minerals that might otherwise be lost in traditional grilling methods. Now, let's talk about potential cost savings. While eco-friendly grills might have a higher upfront cost than traditional grills, they can actually save you money over time. Electric grills, for example, are typically more energy efficient than gas or charcoal grills. They use less energy to heat up and maintain their temperature, which can lead to lower energy bills in the long run. Similarly, pellet grills use compressed wood pellets as fuel, which not only burns cleaner but is also often cheaper than charcoal or propane. Plus, because pellet grills offer precise temperature control, you're less likely to overcook or burn your food, reducing waste and saving you money on groceries. What's more, eco-friendly grills are often built to last, with high-quality materials and superior craftsmanship. This means you'll likely spend less on repairs and replacements over the life of the grill, adding to your long-term savings. But the perks of going eco-friendly don't stop there. Eco-friendly grills can also enhance the flavor of your food. Pellet grills, for example, infuse your food with a smoky flavor that's hard to replicate on gas or electric grills. And because you can use different types of wood pellets, you can experiment with a variety of flavors, from hickory and apple to mesquite and cherry. Similarly, solar-powered grills, which use the sun's energy to cook food, can provide a unique cooking experience. Because they cook at a consistent and even temperature, they can help to lock in flavor and moisture, leading to delicious, mouth-watering meals. In conclusion, going eco-friendly in your grilling endeavors offers a multitude of benefits. Not only does it help reduce your carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet, but it can also provide a healthier cooking environment, potentially save you money in the long run, and even enhance the flavor of your food. So the next time you're in the market for a new grill, why not consider going eco-friendly? Not only will you be doing your part to protect the environment, but you'll also be investing in a high-quality grill that can provide you with years of flavorful, healthy, and cost-effective grilling. Who knew grilling could be so good for you and the planet? Now, it's your turn. We've taken this journey together, from understanding the unseen impact of traditional grilling on our environment to exploring the innovative world of eco-friendly grills. We've seen how these versatile and sustainable grills are not just a fad, but a necessary evolution for the conscious cook. We've looked at the best eco-friendly grills for every type of cook, and we've talked about the perks of going eco-friendly. And now it's time for you to make a difference. It's time for you to take up the eco-friendly challenge. This isn't just about choosing a grill that's kinder to the environment, but it's also about embracing a lifestyle that values sustainability and conscious choices. It's about understanding the impact of our actions and making decisions that benefit not just us, but also the world around us. So how about it? Can you rise to the eco-friendly challenge? Can you make the switch to a grill that's not just great for your cooking, but also great for the environment? Can you choose to reduce your carbon footprint and promote healthier cooking? It's not just about the choice of grill, but also about how you use it. Can you choose to grill with locally sourced organic produce, reducing the carbon emissions associated with transportation and farming? Can you choose to grill responsibly, minimizing waste and optimizing energy use? And here's the best part, you don't have to do it alone. We're all in this together, a community of conscious cooks, eager to make a difference. Share your favorite eco-friendly grills in the comments. Let's inspire each other with our choices and our actions. Let's learn from each other, and together, let's make a difference. And remember, every step counts. Every action matters. Every choice, whether it's the choice of grill, the choice of fuel, or the choice of food, makes a difference. Because in the end, it's not just about grilling. It's about creating a sustainable future for us and for generations to come. So, are you ready? Are you ready to take up the eco-friendly challenge? Are you ready to make a difference? Because we're ready to support you every step of the way. We're ready to be a part of your journey, and we're excited to see where it leads. But before we wrap up, don't forget to like and subscribe for more eco-conscious content. We've got a lot more in store for you. More tips, more insights, more ways to make a difference. So stay tuned and join us on this journey towards a more sustainable future. And of course, if you're ready to take the plunge and get your own eco-friendly grill, we've got you covered. Check the description below for a link to get your eco-friendly grill today. Remember, when it comes to grilling, it's not just about the taste or the convenience or even the fun. It's about making choices that matter. It's about grilling smarter, not harder. So let's do this. Let's rise to the eco-friendly challenge. Let's make a difference, one grill at a time. Check the description below for a link to get your eco-friendly grill today. Grill smarter, not harder.